how to fix keyboard problem on your iPhone. If you're having keyboard problem, then first of all, you have to launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit. There you will see general option. Simply tap on that. From here you will see keyboard option. Again, you have to go through it. Now make sure that predictive test is toggled off. Once you check that, go back to the general again, scroll down to the last, there you will see transfer or reset iPhone, hit on that. If that solution does not work, then you have to reset your all settings. Once you do that, enter your passcode and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily solve keyboard problem on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.